Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another wash day review. So I'll be reviewing the new Texture by Cantu line, and I have their Treat line, which is for pretty much wash day. Their Sleek line is more so for like styling, but this Treat line comes with a shampoo, conditioner, and it also comes with a moisture mask and a scalp oil. Now, these products are sulfate and paraben free, and they're made with ingredients such as shea butter, which is supposed to hydrate and nourish your hair, as well as spearmint oil, which is supposed to soothe your dry scalp. So these all retail for $9.99 each, and I'm just going to put it to the test. So as you guys already probably saw, I was finger detangling my hair because my hair was very tangled and very dry. So let's just get right into this review. So I started off with their soothing shampoo, and this is made with apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil, and those two ingredients are perfect for dealing with like a dry or itchy scalp. Putting it onto my hair, I instantly knew I did not like this product. Just like apple cider vinegar, it has that like watery type of consistency, but I was expecting it to have more of a lather, just because it says on the back of the bottle that it has lather. I feel like in order to get a lather, like barely, you have to use a lot of the vinegar on your hair. But even then, that lather was like useless. I did not feel like my scalp was getting clean at all. It did give me that cool, calm type of feeling that you know, usually those two ingredients give you, which I did like, but it didn't make my scalp feel clean. I know you guys are going to be wondering about the scent. It smells more like tea tree oil and has a very strong smell, but it's not a bad smell at all. Lastly, it just didn't do anything for my curls. It didn't dry them out, it didn't moisturize them, it just did nothing. So my hair was just how it had started, which was dry as heck. Next, I tried their Hydrating Conditioner, and this can be used as a leave-in or a rinse out, but I just used it as a rinse out, and it is supposed to moisturize and soften your strands. So the consistency of this was, I feel like it was like, you know, that middle consistency, not too light, not too thick, just like a good consistency. So putting it onto my hair, I instantly felt a lot better because I was like, I'm gonna be mad if I use this horrible fake shampoo and then a drying conditioner. But the conditioner was good. It made my hair feel soft, and it had good slip as well. I was able to finger detangle my entire section with my hands, which is always a plus because I feel like it's a bit quicker. So yeah, I didn't have any problems with this leave-in or rinse out conditioner at all. Now on the other side of my hair, I used their Strengthen and Restore Moisture Mask, and this is pretty much a repair mask, so it's supposed to hydrate but also strengthen your hair, reduce shedding, and help with split ends. So the consistency of this product was a bit thicker than the conditioner, which of course you guys know I love thick products, so I loved that. And putting it onto my hair, instantly I was just like, I love this. It was like 10 times more softer and moisturizing than the conditioner. And don't get me wrong, I really like the conditioner, but this is just 10 times better. And the slip was a lot better as well. I had good slip with the conditioner, but my fingers literally just slid through my hair with such ease. And you guys know my hair was really dry, like I said in the beginning of this video. My curls look a little bit stiff in this clip just because the product is thicker and creamier, so it is a bit heavier, but I promise you guys this is good. Now, I totally almost forgot to use their Scalp Saver oil, but I did go ahead and apply some onto my hair so I could get a nice deep condition and just get tons more moisture. And then I went ahead and put the oil onto my scalp. This is made with vitamins A, D, E, K, has rosemary, shea butter, and it's supposed to help with hair growth, shine, strength, dry scalp, nourishing, all that good stuff. I really liked it on my scalp. It does have a strong medicated smell. It smells like Vicks, so I personally would use this for wash day and like rinse it out, but other than that, I did really like the oil. So once I went ahead and rinsed off my hair felt nice, soft, and moisturized. The side with the moisture mask did feel a little bit softer. Like I said, it was a bit more moisturizing. But as far as these products, do I recommend them? I personally would recommend the moisture mask. That was my favorite from this line. I did like the scalp oil. Some of you may know I do deal with dry, itchy scalp, so I did love how it felt on my scalp, and I didn't have any type of itching afterwards. So those two I definitely recommend. The other two, they're okay. The shampoo didn't really care for, so yeah, it's up to you guys. Definitely, if you want to go ahead and give these products a try them out. They're at Ulta. I'll put the link down below. This video is not sponsored, so just to let you guys know, it's not sponsored. I bought these products with my own money. If you guys enjoyed this, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know down below, do you guys still use Cantu or not?